Hey, Boogshug. Are you in the tub? There's no water in the tub. Just you. Bath time's over. Hey, Boog. Oh, you gotta bring a toy, huh? You silly butt, you got suds all over you. You don't care? Say, I'm the sudsy baby. Benny? Oh, now we're gonna eat a fish. Hi, fish. Full of suds. You shouldn't eat suds. You won't take a nap today. Can't you tell? You've got the purple under his eyes. Say, I'm really tired, but I don't want to. Nope. I'm about 2 hours past my nap time. So I'm going to eat everything. Benny, can you imagine one day we're going to look back at these videos and we're going to say, oh my gosh, I can't believe he was so cute. Well, she'll probably get you out. You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Nothing? Alright. See you later.